Yeah, let's look at that things, okay? AA is another geometry question. Geometry question, we get this geometry question. A lot of people do it wrong, right? Geometry question is so many people do it wrong, so we gotta get this one correctly. So what's the condition? So A, B, C. This is equilateral. This one is equilateral. This M is the middle point of B, right? And N is the middle point of AD. So he asks you prove this one is equilateral. Yeah, for this one, there's a beautiful solution, right? A beautiful solution, you prove this one. Also, for the competition, we don't need a beautiful solution, right? We just solve this problem, will be okay. So, one very easy way is coordinate, right? We just use a coordinate. Like we find this one, like, okay, for the ABC, we size don't know. Let's say size is A, right? And this one is B, right? So once we give this one A and B, everything is fixed. Like this E is fixed, A is fixed. Then M is fixed, M is fixed. Then we just calculation the lengths, right? So you can brute force that one. That one's like, don't make, if you don't find a beautiful solution you need to be, find a special angle, prove congruence, something like, yeah. We don't have time to do that, right? We don't have enough training for the triangle. So this is a good way to think, right? So first the coordinate will put where? If you put X here, if you put Y here, then this is this coordinate will be A plus something, right? This A plus B, because this is B, this is high, like this is half B, right? This is half B plus half B. So when you saw this one, that's not smart, right? So easy, we gotta make ourselves easy. Don't make so hard for this. So what do we gotta do? So we smart say, okay, what do we do? Here's B, right? Hey, what do we put here, right? Yeah, if we put a Y here, then this one is easy, right? This one gotta be B. This one is B, not B, half B. Remember special angle, right? The coordinate. This one should be immediately, right? Equilateral should be immediately. This one we don't need a. If this one don't understand, then we don't need a computation, right? This one should be 60. So this special angle. This is half. This is 2/3, right? 2/3. B. Okay. This is the same thing. This will be negative something. Negative A 2/3 A, right? What about this one? This one is negative A 0. What about this one? Is it B 0? Yeah, we can brute force that, alright? Okay, so what do we brute force here? So brute force. Right? For the middle point M, what does M say? M should be middle, right? Middle is A plus B, suppose B, this plus this, right? So this one, A plus B divided by 2, right? So it should be divided by 2. This one should be like divided by 2. So M suppose B, this is 4√3 B, right? This one is supposed to 1. This one also divided by 2. Divided by 2 is B minus 2A. Yeah, like this, right? This plus this up to 2A divided by 2. Okay, this one like this, right? And just tedious, right? N equal to what? N suppose this plus this. This plus this is what? B, wait. 2B minus A. Kind of symmetry, huh? 4. So we saw the symmetry, right? Hey, it's just one line code. We say 3, 8. Haha. Now we say M N, right? M N. So Mn is kind of symmetry, right? So so we gotta have three things, right? So okay, for MC, what did MC say? MC and NC should be easy. It look like symmetry, looks working, right? So this square is what? MC square, this one is 16, right? Both is 16, this is symmetry not working? Gotta be working, right? This is a cover here, right? B square plus 4a square minus 4a, right? It's gotta be plus 3, 3 coming here. So plus 3 b squared. And here, this and this, 4ab is 4ab here. This one turned to 4, then the answer will be like 4ab, right? 4ab cancels 4ab, right? A square plus b square plus minus ab 4, right? So here, see, kind of symmetry. This one also same thing. This one just 4a. A will cover. This is a squared. This is 3a squared. We'll cover that one back to here. So we just don't do n. But anyway, you write nc. You gotta write something, right? And we can do mn, right? mn. So that's one so easy, right? You gotta be, if you solve a beautiful solution, probably one day you don't get it. But for this one, we just brute force. We don't use brain, right? So for this one, so here, this minus this, right, is what? This minus this. So it's a. This minus this one is a b, right? B. It would be plus a, right? Let's square that one. Square this one, right? Also this one is right. This one is 4 root 3. 4 root 3, very important, right? 16. 4 square. 16, right? 16 here. And this one's 3. Right? Oh, it says here, sorry. Square. This is square. And whatever. This one. And minus, whatever, right? A minus b, b minus a, doesn't matter. Yeah, you can write a square, right? Anyway, it's a square, right? Well, here, bottom still 16. Let's look what happened here, right? This is plus, right? So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This one is 3a square plus 3b square minus 6ab. Yeah, see here, this 4a, yeah, 4a come back, 4b come back, and then minus 4a come back. This one says so these three things we prove m. So these two things, MC, NC, MC, NC, MN, all same. That's why equal out. This one's very, very straightforward, easy to think. We don't need to use brain, right? The tricky part is we gotta put like y to here easily, because if you put it here, this is the same thing. Also can prove, but it spend more time. Yeah. So we gotta say here that, so this one, and you can easily see this result is A, B. So the answer is supposed to be this one, right? Okay. Also, let's look beautiful solution. You think, can you get it or not, right? Oh, no. What? Yeah, let's think for beautiful solution. Yeah, beautiful, you spend time to prove beautiful, but it's not good, right? I suggest this is, definitely we suggest do this way. So this one very special here. For beauty one, you gotta see here. So you gotta see here. This you gotta find some tricky one. So this one, we're gonna see this triangle, and this triangle is congruent. So why is it similar? Like it's look like they rotate. This triangle is look like they rotate from the C, right? So why is same? You can this once you saw that one, you can easily prove, right? You can easily prove for this triangle. It's like why? Because this equal to this one. CE will turn into CD. Why? CE is the same, right? And this one turn to here. This is also same, right? And the rest is same as what? That's what same is the angle is supposed to be same. But what about this angle? This angle is 120, and this angle also 120. So this two is congruent. Once this two is congruent, then CM, this is the middle point, right? So it's same middle point. This one is congruent. This one is congruent, right? If it's congruent, I have middle. So this is supposed absolutely same. Let's draw the same thing. So we can easily prove this one, middle point, and this one. Same, yeah, same as us, huh? Similar, very similar with our like this here with easily calculation CN. So this is just like a simple calculation that was same. Very similar. Right now, MN, we don't need to talk about MM, right? So we prove this is 60. That one is 60 will be okay, right? This one would be 60, and it's two same equal to if this one is if this two is same and plus 60, then with this one is equal to, right? So here, how come prove this one is 60? Yeah. So we gotta prove this angle. So this one is 60. They both share this angle, right? They both share this angle. We can easily say this one and this one, they are the difference, right? So for this one we know this is 60. And we want this one be 60. They both share this angle. We want this yellow angle be same. Yellow angle actually is same. Yellow angle is like here, right? We're middle. You see, yellow angle is from middle. Yellow angle is from where? See, yeah, from this part. Yellow angle kind of like this, either here or here, right? Yeah. So yeah, something here. Yellow angle is here, right? So based on this congruent, and this angle supposed to be same. You can using if yeah. You can simply just say if you I think this solution asks you to prove again. So you say okay, and because of a BC equal to AC and CM equal to this one, and a BM equal to that one, right? Why BM equal to that one? Because before we congruent already. If before congruent already, BE definitely equal to AD, half definitely same. So this is same thing. This is right angle, something like that. Boom. This one. So this is how you solve the geometry solve. So for this kind of question, if we don't training this way, we don't know this is a rotate and kind of find out kind of situation. So many possibilities. If you don't training, you can direct go there. But for this one, straightforward, very, very straightforward. No bread, okay? No brainer. Just put this correctly. Just put this correctly. Simplify your function. It will be okay.